Accidents can leave your car looking battered and broken. But have you ever wondered if it's possible to repair a vehicle so perfectly that no one, not even an expert, can tell it was ever damaged? In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating process of post-accident car restoration and what it takes to make a car look brand new again. When a car is involved in an accident, the extent of the damage depends on the severity of the impact. From crumpled panels and shattered glass to bent frames and damaged electronics, the repairs required can vary dramatically. But thanks to advancements in automotive repair, even severe damage can often be reversed with the right tools, techniques, and expertise. To restore a car to its original condition, repair shops follow a meticulous process. Here's how it's done. 1. Damage assessment. Technicians perform a thorough inspection, using advanced diagnostic tools to identify all visible and hidden damages. 2. Frame alignment. If the car's frame is bent, it's repaired using precision frame straightening machines to match factory specifications. 3. Body repair. Dents and cracks are filled, and damaged panels are replaced with OEM original equipment manufacturer parts. 4. Paint matching. Paint matching technology ensures that the repaired area seamlessly blends with the rest of the car. 5. Interior and electronics repair. Damaged airbags, sensors, and wiring are replaced or recalibrated to function like new. Technology plays a crucial role in making accident repairs invisible. Here are some key tools and techniques. 3D scanners. These tools identify even microscopic imperfections in the frame or body. Robotic paint booths ensure flawless paint application and perfect color matching. ADAS calibration. Advanced driver assistance, like cameras and sensors, are recalibrated for accurate functionality. While many cars can be restored to look and function as good as new, perfection depends on several factors. 1. Severity of the damage. Minor dents and scratches are easy to fix, but severe structural damage may leave subtle signs. 2. Quality of repairs. High-end repair shops with skilled technicians and advanced equipment can achieve near-perfect results. 3. Use of genuine parts. Using OEM parts ensures a precise fit and finish. Even with the best repairs, certain signs of damage may still be detectable with tools like paint thickness gauges or detailed inspections. If you're buying a used car, here are some red flags to watch for that might indicate past accident damage. Uneven gaps between panels, mismatched paint or texture, incomplete alignment of doors or windows, strange sounds while driving. So, can a car be repaired so well that no one can tell it was in an accident? The answer is yes, if the repairs are done correctly, using the right tools, techniques, and parts. A professionally repaired car can look, drive, and feel just as it did before the accident. But achieving this level of PER. Have you ever had a car repaired after an accident? Were you satisfied with the results? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Drive Hub for more insights into the fascinating world of automobiles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.